and welcome to Crypto Coders. This is our C++ tutorial series, and in this video we will learn about nested if. In our previous video we learned about regular if statements. This is how the flowchart went. You check a condition, if it is true, execute this statement, or if it is false, you check some other statement. But a nested if is if statement within if statements. So we check a condition, if it is true, you check another condition, which basically means that you add another if condition. So if it is true, it will execute some statement, or if it is false, it will execute another statement. Then it all goes back to the original flow of our code. So we will be writing a code today to check if a person is eligible to apply for a job. A person will be eligible if he has more than 2 years of experience and has a degree in computer science, CS. But if that person is not experienced enough, he can apply for an internship. This is the message that we will be displaying to the user. So this is our question, and this is our basic structure. And now we'll write the code for this question. So we'll use two variables, int exp for experience, and string will take the degree from the user, that whatever degree he has. We'll ask the user to enter his experience. Enter your experience in years and exp, and then we'll ask the user to enter your degree, C in degree. Now the first thing that we want to check is if he has minimum 2 years of experience, more than 2 years of experience. If experience is greater than 2, and now that we are in this if condition, we'll check another condition. If his degree is of computer science, if degree double equal to CS. If both these conditions are true, only then he can apply for the job. Cout, you can apply for the job. But if one of these is true, the other is false, if the degree is not in CS but he has 2 years of experience, he cannot apply for the job. So we'll write an else statement. Cout, you cannot apply for the job. So the flow will go something like this. We'll take the experience first. If the experience is greater than 2, then it will check this condition. If degree is CS. If the degree is not CS, it will run the else statement. Otherwise, the code will display that the user can apply for the job. So if we come out of this, the larger if statement, we can write an else statement. We can simply, if the experience is not greater than 2, then it will run this else statement. So it will straightforwardly tell the user that you cannot apply for the job. You cannot apply for the job. Now we'll check another condition for our, if the person is not experienced enough, he can apply for an internship. So now we'll check if the experience of the user, if the user has no experience, for example. So we can add an if statement here and check if experience is equal to 0. You can display to the user that he or she can apply for an internship. You can apply for an internship. So let's run this. Enter your experience in years. If our experience is more than 2 years, we write 3. Enter your degree. Degree is CS. The person can apply for the job. We'll run it again. Enter your experience in years. If experience is again greater than 2 for 4, your degree is, for example, if it is not CS, it is some other BBA, the person can still not apply for the job. Enter your experience in years. The experience is not equal to 2. I mean more than 2. if it is 1 year of experience, whatever his degree will be, he cannot apply for the job. Even if it is CS, he cannot apply for the job. But if the experience is 0, if he has any degree, for example, if he has BBA degree, the person cannot apply for the job, but he can apply for an internship. So this is how our code will run. This was it for this video. If you like the video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And you can find the codes in the video description below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.